So guys, they gave me this 1400 watts Hamilton Beach mixer grinder, and the funniest part is there's something called as warehouse deal, which everybody should know about, and be careful about it because they are like deal of the day kind of. So this mixie at a regular price cost you around $295 to $300, and this one I got the link in Amazon for $195. It was like kind of made my day, so I ordered it. When I opened the product, I came to know that this zero point 0.5 mixie jar, 0.5 liters mixie jar, the lid is missing. And when I called the customer care, the reason what they gave me is that I have to buy this separately, a lid. So can you imagine? So these kind of deals we should not be falling for, and always look, if it is a warehouse deal, stay away from it.